Good morning, students. How are you all? Hope you all are fine. Students, in the previous video, we learned about unitary method and solve exercise 12.3. Sum number 1, 2, 3 and 6. Today we are going to solve remaining sums. So let us solve it. Exercise 12.3. Sum number 7. Cost of 5 dozen bananas is rupees 180. How many bananas can be purchased for rupees 90? Students, in this question, we have to find out number of bananas that can be purchased for rupees 90. And we have been given the cost of 5 dozen bananas, which is rupees 180. Students, so in order to find out how many bananas can be purchased for rupees 90. First of all, we have to find out the cost of one banana. And then we have to find number of bananas that can be purchased for rupees 90. So now let us solve sum number 7 and find out cost of one banana and also number of bananas which can be purchased at rupees 90. 5 dozen bananas equals to 12 into 5 equals to 60 bananas. 60 bananas equals to rupees 180. So 1 banana equals to how much? By cross multiplying, we get 180 into 1 upon 60. Now multiplying numerator with numerator, that is 180 by 1, and keeping denominator 60 as it is, we get 180 by 60. Now dividing 180 by 60, we get 3. Thus, one banana can be purchased for rupees 3. Now, let us find out number of bananas which can be purchased for rupees 90. Rupees 3 equals to 1 banana. So, rupees 90 equals to how much? By cross multiplying, we get 90 multiplied by 1 upon 3. Now, multiplying 90 by 1 and keeping denominator 3 as it is, we get 90 upon 3. Now, dividing 90 by 3, we get 30. Thus, 30 bananas can be purchased for rupees 90. Students, solve sum number 8 by yourself. Now, sum number 9. A truck requires 108 liters of diesel for covering a distance of 594 kilometers. How much diesel will be required by the truck to cover a distance of 1650 kilometers. Students, in this question, we have to find out how much diesel will be required by a truck to cover a distance of 1650 kilometers. And we have been given that a truck requires 108 liters of diesel to cover a distance of 594 kilometers. Students, so in order to find out how much diesel will be needed to cover 1650 kilometers, first of all, we will find out how much diesel will be needed to cover a distance of 1 kilometer, and then after for 1650 kilometers. So now let us solve sum number 9. 594 kilometers equals to 108 liters. So 1 kilometer equals to how much? By cross multiplying, we get 108 multiplied by 1 upon 594. Now multiplying numerator with numerator, that is 108 by 1, and keeping denominator 594 same, we get 108 upon 594. Now reducing 108 upon 594 by the SCF of 108 and 594, which is 54, we get 108 divided by 54 upon 594 divided by 54. Now dividing 108 by 54 and also 594 by 54, we get 2 upon 11. Thus, 2 upon 11 liters of diesel is needed to cover 1 kilometer distance. Now, let us find out diesel which can be needed for covering 1650 kilometers. 1 kilometer equals to 2 upon 11 liters. So, 1650 kilometers equals to how much? By cross multiplying, we get 1650 multiplied by 2 upon 11. Now multiplying numerator with numerator, that is 1650 by 2, and keeping denominator 11 as it is, we get 3300 upon 11. Now dividing 3300 by 11, we get 300. Thus, diesel required by a truck to cover a distance of 1650 kilometers is 300 liters. Now, sum number 10. Raju purchases 10 pens for rupees 150 and monies buy 7 pens for rupees 84. Can you say who got the pens cheaper? Students, in this question, we have to write who got cheaper pen, either Raju or Manish. Students, in order to answer this question, we have to find the cost of one pen for both Raju and Manish. So now, let us solve sum number 10. First, for Raju, 10 pence equals to rupees 150. So, 1 pence equals to how much? By cross multiplying, we get 150 multiplied by 1 upon 10. Now multiplying 150 by 1 and keeping denominator 10 as it is, we get 150 upon 10. Now cancelling common 0, we get 15 upon 1 and dividing 15 by 1, we get 15, or dividing 150 by denominator 10, we get 15. Thus, Raju purchased 1 pen at rupees 15. Now, let us help Manish and find the cost of 1 pen. 7 pence equals to rupees 84. So, 1 pen equals to how much? By cross multiplying, we get 84 multiplied by 1 upon 7. Now, multiplying 84 by 1 and keeping denominator 7 same, we get 84 by 7. Now dividing 84 by 7, we get 12. Thus, Manish purchased 1 pen at rupees 12. So, we can say that pens purchased by Manish are cheaper than Raju.